Hi friends. I'm going to share with you something that happened to me. I was out of town and everybody that came to my house to pick up mail or check my sprinklers kept saying they were hearing a smoke detector beep, and I came back, changed the battery, and it kept beeping. And so I researched it, and apparently this brand, and maybe other brands, this is the first alert. Carbon monoxide detector and smoke detector have a shelf life, and that was last month that one went out, and I went to the store and I researched them and I bought one of these. It's a Kitty brand. It's a smoke detector and carbon monoxide alarm. There are some that have voice, somebody like talking and speaking and saying you have a fire. Some of them have that high decibel sound. I thought see the voice alarm right there was cool because people listen to the human voice, whereas the alarm, it kind of sounds like a alarm clock alarm. So my mother had a house fire and my cousin had a house fire, and they were sleeping when it happened, and her husband came and woke them up, and she didn't hear the alarm. And so apparently when it beeps 5 times, it means that the life of the detector is gone, and you need to replace it. So there is no way to reset that, and it's probably a good thing to make sure you're getting the newest and most updated thing. And with the voice alarm, maybe it's better for my family that I have that, so that maybe I would hear it over the other alarm. But I just wanted to share that because I kept throwing away batteries thinking they were dead, and they were fine. It was actually the life of the detector was up. So depending on how many beeps your detector has, I had a neighbor's that was beeping and beeping and beeping and beeping, and we couldn't get it to stop. And I think that was her problem as well, but hers was quite a bit older. So I like the fact that this one is voice activated. It is a combination smoke and combination fire smoke, and also it's about $35, and they go up to about $55. And this one had the voice, and it also did both carbon monoxide and fire smoke. So I thought that this was a good combination for a cheaper price. I got it at Walmart. I did price it at 2 other stores, and they were both the same or more, so I just went ahead and got them at Walmart. But I wanted to share that information with you. I have done other videos and blog posts about fire and smoke detectors and fire extinguishers, so check those out, because I dated a fireman and he told me to shake the fire extinguishers regularly, which I had not heard before. So check those out. Check out my blog, thesecretisgratitude.com, and type in smoke detector, fire detector. I've also got a cool story on there, how I helped somebody. So thanks for watching, and have a blessed day.